Today I'm going to talk about mind control and discernment, and the two things go hand in hand. I'm going to start off with a quote from my favourite spiritual text, which is A Course in Miracles, and as you can see, my copy is quite well read. And the quote goes, "Whatever you accept into your mind has reality for you. It is your acceptance of it that makes it real. If you've enthroned the ego in your mind, you're allowing it to enter makes it your reality. This is because the mind is capable of creating reality or making illusions." So the mind is capable of creating reality or making illusions. And it also says within the same passage that the ego is literally a fearful thought. So thoughts that come from the ego tend to induce feelings of fear, guilt, and shame. And those are emotions that cause blockages within our energy system. And I'm going to show you a picture now of the energy system. And this is the human chakra system. And as you can see, the bottom three chakras, the root chakra, the sacral chakra, and the solar plexus, are blocked by fear, guilt, and shame. So I want you to think about how then we discern the truth from lies, and the importance of becoming our own filter system for the information that is coming at us from the world, from the government, from the media, from society, from the medical system, from the education system, from friends and family, and even from our own minds. And how we decipher if something is the truth or not is whether it creates feelings of peace, love and joy, which is our true nature, or whether it induces feelings of fear, guilt and shame, and that is a sign that the information is coming from the ego. And when we are operating from the level of the egoic mind ourselves, we are completely susceptible to mind control using fear, guilt and shame, because it triggers our own wounds within us, which are related to those emotions of fear, guilt and shame. And the only way that we can free ourselves from this situation is to work on our own inner development, on our own spiritual and energetic evolution, and to clear away the limiting beliefs and the energetic blockages that are caused by wounds and traumas and incorrect information, so that we are no longer vibrating at that frequency. And this ties in with the law of attraction, because whatever frequency we are vibrating, we're attracting towards us. And if we're vibrating at a high frequency, we will automatically reject anything at a lower frequency, because we know that it is not in our highest interests. And that's how we free ourselves from the mind control and the grip of fear that is taking over the planet at the moment, and which is limiting our highest expression as human beings, and it's definitely not within our best interests.